Hi, I'm Mary Beth, and I'm so excited to be in this beautiful kitchen garden to get you excited about growing edibles. This walled garden is a gorgeous example where everything has a dedicated space and it's in its place. But there are tons of ideas that we can use to work in your landscape, no matter the size or style. Consider blueberries as an ornamental shrub. I mean, just look at this beautiful blue-green foliage. Takes the cake and bless your heart from Southern Living offer year-round interest. First, you'll get loads of beautiful bell-shaped flowers, followed by loads of berries. And then you get this amazing, fabulous fall color that ranges from orange to a glowing red. Here we have a tip that is so smart. It's elegant, but it's easy. Plant an evergreen border to keep edges neat and defined. In winter, even if it's empty, it adds a structural element that's just beautiful. And in the height of summer, when vegetables can get unruly, it keeps things very neat and orderly. Baby gem boxwood is a perfect choice to recreate this in your yard. Or consider an edible for double duty, such as this Chef's Choice rosemary that has a beautiful compact mounding habit. Another excellent idea is espalier. It's a French term describing the flat fruit trees that you see here. It sounds complicated, but it's simply a clever way to train plants to suit your space. This garden showcases many espalier fruit trees, but I love this technique particularly for figs. It's compact, it encourages fruit production, and it makes it really easy to pick. Little Miss Figgy is a perfect choice for this and would look spectacular with this technique. Against a wall or a fence like this one, consider planting a row of blackberries. Trained on a trellis like this wire one make the plants really easy to pick, these beautiful fruits. Although it's worry-free because these are thornless varieties, which I love. I want to encourage you and I want to motivate you to think outside the box, think outside the rows. You don't need row crops for commercial picking. You don't need lots of acreage to grow edibles. You can weave in edibles and ornamentals together as beautiful pairings in your landscape. If you're looking for a plant that's beautiful and flavorful, look no further than Downhome Harvest, a Southern Living plant collection.